How to fix Instagram profile add music option not showing. If your add music to your profile is missing, then the first step to solve this issue is simply launch your App Store on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then on the searching bar, search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, see if any update now button is available or not. If you see update now button, then simply hit on that to update your application. Once you do that, the other step you need to follow is simply launch your settings and scroll down. There you will see general option, tap on it and go through iPhone storage. Here search for Instagram application. There you will see two options. Among them choose offload app and do offload app. Then again reinstall your application. Once you log into your account, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.